In this video, we listed the 7 best professional drones for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, DJI R3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC. The DJI R3 Fly More Combo with DJI RC2 is a high-end drone package that combines exceptional aerial photography, extended flight capability, and user-friendly control. Designed for those who prioritize both performance and ease of use, this bundle includes the DJI R3 drone equipped with dual primary cameras capable of capturing 4K video and 48MP photos for stunning visuals and detailed shots. Its dual camera system enables versatile photography options, providing creative freedom whether capturing landscapes or close-up details. One of the standout features of this combo is its 3-battery package, which allows for extended flight time, ideal for prolonged shooting sessions or covering large areas. Additionally, the 20 km max video transmission ensures a strong and stable connection, even over long distances, which can be crucial for both recreational and professional drone pilots. Product 2. Product name Bwine F7 GPS Drone with Camera for Adults. The Bwine F7 GPS Drone with Camera for Adults is a high-performance drone designed to offer an elevated flying experience for both hobbyists and beginners. It features a 4K camera with night vision capabilities for capturing high-quality videos and photos, even in low-light conditions. The camera is stabilized with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth footage and reducing shakiness during flight. With an impressive 2-mile range, the Bwine F7 enables long-distance exploration and comes with 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of 75 minutes, ideal for extended flying sessions without frequent recharging. This drone also includes various smart functions like auto return, which automatically brings the drone back to its starting point if it loses connection or reaches a low battery level, and follow me, which lets the drone track and follow the user. The fly-around feature allows the drone to circle a specific point, capturing dynamic 360-degree footage, while beginner mode makes it approachable for those new to drone flying, including kids. Product 3. Product name DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo is a compact, beginner-friendly drone packed with impressive features for new and casual drone enthusiasts alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it remains incredibly portable and does not typically require FAA registration in many regions, making it accessible for new users. Equipped with 10 km video transmission capability, it offers a reliable connection and clear visuals over long distances. The combo includes 3 batteries, extending flight time to a total of 93 minutes, ensuring users can capture more content in a single outing. Designed for ease of use, it features auto return to home for safer flight, a key feature for beginners who want to ensure their drone returns safely if it loses connection or the battery runs low. The QHD video quality captures clear and vivid footage, while QuickShots enables automated filming modes, such as drone and helix, allowing users to create dynamic content without extensive piloting skills. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE Fly More Combo is an ideal choice for those new to drone photography, offering ease of use, enhanced flight time, and quality imaging capabilities in a lightweight package. Product 4. Product name DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. The DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo is an advanced FPV, first-person view, drone, designed to provide an immersive flying experience and capture high-quality 4K footage. Equipped with a single battery in this combo, the Avata 2 delivers a seamless FPV experience ideal for content creators and drone enthusiasts who want dynamic aerial footage with smooth flips and rolls. This camera drone is FAA Remote ID compliant, ensuring it meets regulatory requirements for safe and legal flight operations. The Avata 2's POV, point of view, camera makes it especially appealing for capturing first-person content. Its 4K camera provides stunning, high-definition visuals that bring aerial videography to life, perfect for YouTube creators or hobbyists looking to showcase landscapes, urban scenes, or sports events from above. Built-in propeller guards add a layer of protection, making it easier to fly in tight spaces and reducing the risk of damaging the propellers or surrounding objects. Product 5. Product name: Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS drone is a lightweight, high-performance drone designed to capture high-quality visuals with ease, making it ideal for adults and beginners alike. Weighing in at under 249 g, this drone doesn't require FAA registration in the US, making it particularly appealing for those new to drone piloting. It features a 4K camera capable of recording at 30 fps, stabilized with a 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions. This drone is built with advanced GPS capabilities and a 6 km transmission range, allowing stable long-distance flights and enhancing control. Its visual tracking feature enables users to track and follow subjects, perfect for action shots or dynamic footage. Additionally, the Quick Shots mode offers preset flight paths for creative and professional shots with minimal effort. Product 6. Product name: DJI Neo Mini Drone. The DJI Neo Mini Drone is an ultra-compact, 4K UHD camera-equipped drone designed for adult users looking for an easy-to-fly, controller-free experience. Weighing just 135 grams, this self-flying drone is light and highly portable, making it an ideal option for travelers, hobbyists, and anyone looking for a convenient way to capture aerial footage on the go. Equipped with AI-powered subject tracking and quick shots capabilities, the DJI Neo is designed to follow and capture dynamic shots effortlessly, automatically adjusting its position to keep the subject in frame. This feature makes it a strong option for active individuals who want a reliable way to document their experiences hands-free. It also offers stabilized video for smoother footage, adding a professional quality to everyday recordings. The drone is controller-free, which means it can be operated using simple hand gestures, allowing for an intuitive flying experience. Product 7. Product name: Drones with Cameras. Drones with cameras are becoming popular gift options and hobbies for adults, especially those equipped with 4K cameras, which provide high-resolution footage. Their drones with camera for adults you're interested in is a versatile, user-friendly quadcopter ideal for beginners, kids, and adults alike. This drone model includes advanced features, such as a 4K camera for high-quality video and photo capture, a brushless motor for quieter operation and improved durability, and foldable design for portability. Key features include FPV, first-person view, capabilities, which allow users to see the drone's perspective live on their mobile device, enhancing the flying experience and making it easier to capture precise shots. With propeller guards, it also prioritizes safety, especially for new users or those operating in areas with obstacles.